Grid-tied inverters, they just compose of solar panels and then your string inverter. Now you don't require any battery for the system. In fact, this is the cheapest type of solar inverter installation system. Well, that's because grid-tied inverter is connected directly to your meter, and also it can also help you lower your electricity bill. So what this means is, if there is no light coming in from the grid, that is the national grid, then you don't have light in your house. That's just what this means. So it's cheaper because it does not have batteries. Actually, what makes solar inverter installation very expensive is majorly the batteries, and then the panels are not that much cheap. Are not that much expensive, but when you remove that battery bank, that's why your grid-tied system are very cheap. So for those of you trying to cut down on electricity bill, well, I would advise you to go for this. If you're on low budget and you want to just cut down your electricity bill, you are living in an area that has constant power supply, at least sensible one, then no problem going for a grid-tied system. But if you stay in an area where you really need this backup power, then I would suggest you go for an hybrid system, or you just go for an off-grid system.